I will explain how to install and use the Google Play Store on Xiaomi's HyperOS China version phones when they don't include it. I'll check to see if this phone has Google Apps built in. You will notice that this phone does not include any Google apps related to Google. So let's check if basic Google service is included here. If it is not included, you will need to update this phone to global firmware. Phones with basic Google services require the button to be enabled. Once you've done that, let's continue to see how to download the Google Play Store app. You will need to download it from the Google Play Store using a software called Get Apps. Let's continue to learn how to do this. Please wait while the download is in progress. Now, Xiaomi HyperOS phones with basic Google services can use the Google Play Store app. I hope this video will be informative and educational for you. I hope to see you again in the next videos.